Edijana.
Work in the world.
Manu de nana heri hedun dulu na heri ni ai. Onye kazuru obi apụta na nkwa achị ka mara mbe na abụ nke oke.
It's your favorite DJ Don Pedro, the music boy.
Igbo Kwen. Igbo Kwen. First one.
Anywhere you go, if you don't see one man, no one day but your person never full anymore.
That's so! Freiburg City, make some noise!
Let your person never put in it. Obodo sili kena Igbo gabana. Abanye bafu kulike wekota.
Yes, so it is countdown to who is who in the Igbo Community Union, Southwest Germany, Freiburg in Breisgau. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody is in a celebration mood. Oh. Chai! Igbo Community Union, Southwest Germany is 22 years in Freiburg, Germany. And so, it is a cultural festival extravaganza with the anniversary celebration of this great union and the launching of her Isiagu uniform and brochure. Ladies and gentlemen, lined up for the evening include cultural dance displays from the Igbo Community Union Cultural Igweze Group led by Honorable Sonny Weke. The Igbo Community Union Ezine Women Cultural Group, masquerade dances of all kinds and shapes from invited Igbo Community Union scattered all over Germany. A lot of side attractions with prizes galore awaits you. Dignitaries in and outside Germany, too numerous to mention, will be present live in Freiburg on this epoch-making occasion. Special mention, however, is the Grand Mayor of Freiburg City and or his representative, Dr. Martin Horn, Chief Benjamin Chilaka, the incumbent coordinator, Ndi Igbo Germany, NIG, with over 14 other NIG union members. As his entourage will be live in Freiburg with pomp and pageantry. Eze Motors, all the way from Hanover, Chief Engineer Ogochukwu Ozofo, the immediate former coordinator NIG, who will present a keynote address, as well as Chief Dr. Chukwuemekani from Frankfurt, to mention just a few, will have golden handshakes with you at this grand ceremony that promises to be historic in the city of Freiburg. Ladies and gentlemen, food and drinks will be more than enough. Time is 2 p.m. prompt, German time. Venue is Tuniberg House in Tiengen, Freiburg Landstraße number 10, 79112, Freiburg, Tiengen. This message is from Chief Oskar Liuku, MD, CEO, Teleworld Freiburg, Chairman and Team, Igbo Community Union 2023 Anniversary Stroke Cultural Festival Planning Committee. Come on! You're welcome.